Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and a Single Guy, I'm gonna show you how to cook a quick, simple, easy, and very wholesome dish. It is so easy your kids can cook this. What I'm gonna cook today is a melange of mushrooms in a creamy sauce with some baby spinach and some pasta. But before we get on with the cooking, I just wanna share this picture with you. I had these donuts specially made today, and these donuts are to celebrate and to commemorate the fact that my album Champagne Attitude has won the Gold Emerging Artist Award at the Global Music Awards in Los Angeles, California. I did a separate video on that. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. It's on the channel. Go ahead, check it out. I was so elated when I saw these little donuts, and I was very proud. Now listen, I don't have any friends in high places. Nepotism is never gonna work for me. This is a victory with a capital V, and I wanted to celebrate. And as you may have seen in the other video, I am wearing my new shirt. Yes, and it was on sale. Anyway, let's get on with the cooking. I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the information box below the video for your convenience. So let us get on with it, shall we? Now, on this episode of Food and a Single Guy, I am going to show you how to make this quick, easy, simple, and very wholesome dish. I'm gonna be cooking a melange of mushrooms. What I have here are some oyster mushrooms. Over here I have some shiitake mushrooms, some oyster mushrooms, and some enoki mushrooms. I'm gonna be pairing all of that with some baby spinach and some pasta. I'm also going to be using some fresh garlic, and I haven't seen fresh garlic in a long time. I figured, why not get some? And as you can see, the stalks are still attached to the bulb. I'm going to be using the stalks too because they give a nice subtle flavor to the dish. Of course, we're going to use some extra virgin olive oil because that's the way to go when you cook these types of dishes. So, whenever you're ready, I'm ready. Okay, so now I'm going to heat some olive oil in my pan. Just like so. To which I will be adding my onions. So as you can see, my onions have taken on some color. I am now going to add my garlic. And you want to cook the garlic on medium heat until it takes on some color. Now what I have here is some whipped cream and some sour cream. I have added some salt and pepper to it, and now I'm going to add it to the pan. And you're going to allow this to bubble away nicely. Just like so. And next what you're going to add are the shiitake mushrooms because they take longer to cook. You're going to give that a stir. And allow these to cook for about 2 minutes. Now after about 2 minutes you add the rest of the mushrooms. And let's not forget about these bad boys. So next what we're gonna add is the spinach. Don't get scared because the mushrooms do soak up all of the moisture of the dish. But as soon as you add the spinach, you will see a change in texture of your delicious sauce. Now you're going to allow this to reduce for about a couple of minutes and season to your liking, you guys. Everybody's palate is different. Okay, our spinach has reduced. We are now going to add the pasta. And we're gonna give that a nice stir. And you want to allow this to continue to cook for another 2 minutes on low heat with a regular stir. But try not to break up the mushrooms. Try to keep them as whole as you can see right here. If you overcook the mushrooms, they're gonna turn into snot, and that is not what you want, all right? Keep that in mind. Now, when your dish is done, it should look a little something like this, and as you can see, it is still steaming away nicely. And feel free to garnish with these cherry tomatoes if you so desire, or sprinkle some fresh thyme on top for some extra zing. That is if you're feeling lucky. All right? All right. And there you have it, my delicious creamy mushroom melange with some baby spinach and some pasta. If you decide to try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. And as you have seen, it is very easy to make, all right? Your kids can help you do this. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know how it turned out. All right? Because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, and speaking of hearing, don't forget to pick up my album, Champagne Attitude. Yeah, you can buy the CD, or you can go to Google Play or iTunes or wherever, and you can pick up your digital copy. All right? Because it's me, and because it's good music, and because I love you. Yeah. All right? In the meantime, selfish plug, I know, bear with me. This is my channel. Do be well, take care. Happy cooking, happy eating. Don't add crazy to the craziness. And I will speak to you when I speak to you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.